In the high-stakes world of surgery, every single second counts. And the tools in a surgeon's hands, they're absolutely paramount. So today, we're going to take a close look at a company called Electro Bismed. They're dedicated to crafting top-notch electrosurgical instruments that really empower surgeons to perform with total confidence. Let's dive in and see what sets them apart.
Now, this isn't just some corporate mission statement. It's a promise that's built into every single instrument they make. At its heart, Electro Bismed is all about tools that are not just precise and safe, but also tough and efficient. And that commitment, it translates directly to better performance in the operating room, and most importantly, better outcomes for patients.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with Electro Bismed's legacy of precision. Then we'll check out their full product portfolio. We'll see how their instruments perform in practice, understand their deep commitment to quality, and finally, we'll look at how you can partner with them.
All right, let's start at the very beginning with their foundation. Since 2008, Electro Bismed has built its entire reputation on three key pillars: innovation, safety, and reliability. This isn't just about manufacturing. It's about building trust, one instrument at a time.
It's a pretty cool story. They started out in Sialkot, Pakistan, and have grown from a local specialist into a global supplier, now serving hospitals, distributors, and OEM clients all over the world. Their goal is to lead electrosurgical innovation in their home country, proving that local expertise can absolutely meet and even beat global standards. So, how does this foundation of precision actually show up in their products? Well, as you know, a surgeon's needs can change dramatically from one procedure to the next. Electro Bismed gets that, and they've built a comprehensive portfolio designed to provide the perfect tool for any situation.
And their range is really extensive. We're talking everything from finely tuned bipolar and monopolar forceps to a whole bunch of different electrodes and intuitive hand-switching instruments. And when you add in a full suite of cables and accessories, it means surgical teams can get fully equipped from a single trusted source. And here's something that's really smart: the flexibility they offer. You can get durable, reusable instruments for long-term cost savings, or you can opt for sterile, single-use options for total convenience and safety. This choice lets hospitals balance their budgets without ever having to compromise on patient care.
Okay, so the instruments look great on paper, but how do they actually perform where it matters most, in the operating room? Let's break down the real-world benefits that define the Electro Bismed experience.
Every single instrument is engineered for peak performance. So what does that mean? It means precise cutting and coagulation for amazing tissue control, reliable energy transfer for predictable results, secure connections so there are no interruptions, and ergonomic designs that help reduce surgeon fatigue and boost safety. This right here shows you just how versatile these tools are. From the super delicate precision you need in neurosurgery and ENT, to the more robust demands of gynecology and general surgery, these instruments are trusted across a whole spectrum of specialties because they're just so reliable.
And this is a huge deal for any hospital or surgical center. Electro Bismed instruments are designed to be compatible with standard EU and US electrosurgical units. It's basically a plug-and-play setup, which makes adopting them completely seamless and cost-effective.
In the medical field, quality isn't just a nice-to-have. It's everything. Electro Bismed's commitment to quality is backed by tough international certifications, which gives healthcare professionals all over the world total confidence in their products. All of their instruments are made under the ISO 1345 quality management system. And if you're in the industry, you know that's the international gold standard for medical device manufacturing. It guarantees that every single product is made with intense focus on consistency, safety, and reliability. And on top of that, their products are CE certified. This mark confirms they meet the high safety and performance requirements of the European Union, which is a huge testament to their global quality standards. So Electro Bismed isn't just about providing excellent instruments. They really position themselves as a strategic partner for distributors, hospitals, and other medical brands. They offer a whole suite of B2B services. We're talking OEM and private label manufacturing, custom branding, and even solutions that are specifically tailored for distributors. They're also set up to support custom specifications, which makes them a really flexible and powerful partner to have. So for anyone out there looking to elevate their surgical instrument supply chain, the question is pretty simple. Are you ready to partner with a manufacturer that's defined by precision, proven quality, and a serious commitment to innovation? If the answer is yes, their team is ready to talk.
You can reach out to them directly by email or phone to discuss what you need, get a quote, or just explore the partnership opportunities we've been talking about.
At the end of the day, Electro Bismed stands firmly on these three principles: precision, reliability, and innovation. And for any surgical team or medical supplier, that powerful combination is the absolute best foundation for confidence and success in the operating room.